Hi everyone, Steve here from Bespoke Store UK. In this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your DS3 radio to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. And this unit does both. And I'm going to show you how to do it in 3 easy steps, and you don't need any special tools. Okay, step 1, we connect the power cord, which is here, into the unit, and then we connect the other end to your 12-volt socket by your handbrake. Step 2, we connect your phone to the unit, and it's just the same as connecting a Bluetooth speaker. It's dead easy. Step 3, we then tune this unit into your existing car radio and you're all connected, and it's as simple as that. Now, as you can see, we've actually mounted this on the dash, and it actually covers your existing radio. But included in our kit, you'll also get a window screen mounting bracket, and we've also thrown in a magnetic phone holder for your phone. Now I'm going to show you how we've mounted this. So to do that I need to pull that off, so you may notice the sound of Velcro there. So what we've done is we've actually attached a Velcro strip to your dashboard. Now please don't panic if you're panicking around and going, oh, I don't want to stick things on my dashboard. Don't panic. Once you've stuck this on, you need to leave it for 24 hours, then the adhesive will fully cure. After that, if you want to remove the strip, all you need to do is just warm the strip up with your hairdryer, then gently peel off the strip and clean any residue with an alcohol wipe. Simple as that. It won't damage your dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to put the unit back on now. As you notice, I've put also there's a Velcro strip on the back. You need to leave that for 24 hours as well. Okay, we're now going to stick it to your screen. So to do that, give it a little wiggle, and this is nice and firm now. That's not going to come off, and your unit's fixed. It's as simple as that. Now, the great thing about this unit as well is it's hands-free, so you can receive and make calls. Also, you can give it voice commands, so you can ask it to open a radio station, or you may ask it to respond to a WhatsApp message or a text message. So if you get a WhatsApp message, it'll pop up on your screen, and then it says, do you want to reply? You can say yes, reply, and then just tell it what you want to reply to. Simple as that. You can split the screen, so if you want to split the screen, I can click this little button in the right hand corner. You'll see we've got sat nav on now, and we've also got a BBC radio player showing what's on the radio, and you've also got the maps. If you want full screen maps, just tap on the screen, it'll go to full screen maps, like so. Again, if you want to go back, just press that and go back to the window. It's a great piece of kit. Okay, thanks for watching.